Hey guys, today we will see what's new in the Windows 20H2, which is the latest version currently being available publicly. So as that, the first thing which has changed is the start button. Everything is changed. You can see folder icons are changed. Microsoft calls it as Windows on Photos. Photos is a developer which makes icons like this. I have installed Active Presenter, AnyDesk, like that. Office doesn't come pre-installed, so you do need to activate it. I have installed LibreOffice for now. You get Paint 3D and many more easily. Your phone is built into the app, so no need. You get PicsArt editor. You can see PicsArt Photo Studio, which is upgrade editor, both available for Raspberry Pi and also for the Windows, official Windows. So let's open Microsoft Edge. Okay, you can see I have also installed the GeForce Experience because I have a NVIDIA card. Let's open Task Manager. Go to Performance. You can see that my GPU is 0%. If I start a game, then I can just pick it up to about 100% or 50. I have a 2 GB space on it. I have 840M. So if you do want to activate your graphics card, then you do need to download some drivers which are about maximum 1 gig and minimum about 18 megabytes. I have installed over here. You can see GeForce Experience logo on my desktop. So close it, and on the theme you get the white theme as the default. Now let's personalize it to make our eyes and our health more practical. To do that, open Settings, go to Colors, click on Choose Your Color and click Dark. It will change everything. Scroll down, you get many more colors. You can add a new color easily. You can choose whether to change the color of the taskbar. If you want it, you can do it, but I don't like it, so I left it to the defaults. Go to Lock Screen, customize your lock screen and click Add Logos. You can add Microsoft content. I have added it. You can go to Themes. There are currently 4 themes available. You can add Rainmeter. You can just drag. There are a lot of those themes available. If you go to Start, you can customize the Start menu from over here and go to Taskbar. You can customize it here. If you want it to right, it goes right. Top, top, left, left, like that. I will let it as the default one. Okay, now what's new in here? If you go to File Browser, we have activated the dark mode, so you will get this. If you are in white mode, you will get the white mode. If you go to right click, PC and Properties, instead of the default properties, you get this About menu as the default one. You cannot change this. It has already changed. You can see I have 8 gigabytes model. You can just click copy if you want to give it, and it's only available for 64-bit operating systems. And in I have an x64 based processor instead of an x86. It will just work just fine. I have an i7 2.60 gigahertz. I have overclocked it so that I have more power on my PC. You can see I have already installed everything. Open Start button. You can see camera is working. I have installed AnyDesk. You do need to install drivers. Totally, you do need to install drivers if you want your GeForce, NVIDIA GeForce Like that, if you have a graphics card, I have an 840M graphics card over here, so I'm using it. So to activate the graphics card, you need to download some drivers, because you know you need to game. If you want games, then you need to download those. Office doesn't come pre-installed, you do need to activate it by your own. I've installed WinRAR, which is, of course, you can open my phone, and there's currently a new version available. You can just click update, but I don't want it now. For now, you can go to settings, your phone, add a phone, but you have to first choose your account. So I'll close that down. Another thing which has changed is that they don't give AnyDesk built in. On 32-bit systems, they were giving 32-bit, but now they don't give it. So that's more difference, but not much has changed. If we go to notification side, not much has changed. The problem with this version is the Bluetooth. Bluetooth currently does not work properly. If I type in, go to Bluetooth, if I click add devices, click Bluetooth, you can see couldn't connect. Here are some things to try out. This normally gives us a problem, so don't worry about it. This is normal. You can go to Chrome and download some drivers for that. Everything will work just fine. Let's see what has changes the default apps. Instead of the standard calculator, you get that old same mathematics, Microsoft Mathematica, which is available for Android devices. Now it also has the same interface on the Windows. Just click 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. That's okay, bigger. You can see that my calculation is saved. I can hit. That's all. Now let's see what has the changes made to calendar. The most recent changes are that you get the built-in, you need to add an account so that you can link your office and your meetings to your calendar easily. And next, everyone loves Cortana. Yeah, I know, but for the 20H2 version, it's still in beta mode. You can see over here beta. So you do need to sign in first of all, but previously you did not need to sign in. If you have any problems, you can just click Feedback Hub. If you wanna get help, if you are facing some many problems, just click Get Help. Scroll down. Let's see Mail. You also need to add this account. It will sync your calendar, everything you need. Microsoft Solitaire Collection comes built in. Let's see Mixed Virtual Reality Portal, which is a project Microsoft has been working on very much. Click I agree. It'll check everything. Looks like mine doesn't work properly. I have a USB 3.0. Yeah, I have not connected my device currently, so it is not showing up. Let's see what's the default changes made to Paint 3D. Just click New. Not much changes have been made. Instead, you just scroll down. No, not much. Just click add colors. Everything, the interface was same. So let's go to here. You can just now you have the built-in search with a screenshot option over here. You can see it here. So by which you can search anything with a screenshot of your computer, or you can add a separate image. Just click on that. You can see the Snip and Sketch app pops out and you just drag it up and it takes a screenshot. Oops, something went wrong because I'm not connected to the internet, so that. You can see currently I have only one desktop remaining, which is here. Cancel. The task manager has been upgraded. You get many more of these, such as photos. Yesterday I made a Google Data NI file at Rainmeter, so it automatically shows me about my recent files. You can see here I am showing you Notepad ones, and Cortana is currently working in the background. So let's see what are the RAM specs. Right click on the taskbar and type in Task Manager. You can see, let's end the Cortana. Many of those are working properly. If you go to performance, CPU usage is currently being high because I'm recording a screen, so CPU usage is just 20% or 17%. If we go to memory, it uses normally about 1 gigs of RAM, but I'm running a software in background, so it is currently running on 2.7 gigs. HDD, I'm using a hard drive, so no need. If we go to graphics driver, which is my NVIDIA GeForce 840M, graphics is not being used much, so we'll close that out. Everything's nice. Twitter comes built into the app. If you can see, this is a folder. If I just click if I just click on this folder, the animation pops out and shows the Photos app. Just click on that, you will see that animation. Just delete that. Yeah, delete. See, the photos are amazing. The album, you can create albums, create an album. No, I don't want to create, so cancel folders. You can see where the photos are located. I have put my all these pictures, which are these only 3 on my laptop. I have put all those on a single folder at pictures directory, so it will only show me one. You can just click import from a USB device. So I'm not connected to any of the devices, so I click try again, close. Not much has been changed. Only the look and some GUIs, which are called graphical user interface, have been changed. The dates have been already, they are the same, but you get the option to sign up. You can see, you can just add an account, and that's all. You get many of those. You can, your people comes built in. You can add it to taskbar like this. I've added it. You can see, just click get started, or if you want to get information, just click learn more. It will open Microsoft Edge. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to download it, I will give a link in the description how to install it and download it. And you do need to download Rufus if you are downloading it directly from an ISO file. If you can just download a tool. I recommend going with the ISO file instead of going with the download tool.